Hello, my friends! We're back again with this double wedding ring quilt block. I know we've been here a few times before, so let's just jump right into it. I've set up my pieces in the order that I will be sewing them up in. As I've said before, this helps me see where everything goes, and hopefully I won't make any mistakes. I've made a few, but hopefully this stops any more. I really like the colors and the fussy cuts in this block, and this one might be my favorite out of the whole set. I've also reached a spot in this project where I am tired of working on it, and I am really looking forward to working on a new project. So let's cut our thread to about 18 to 24 inches long, or from your fingers to your elbow, and you do the hokey pokey and you tie it in a knot and at the end of the thread. And of course we're going to start with the flat back stitch. So let's butt our two pieces flat up against each other like they want to hug, and push your needle through just a tiny bit of the back fabric on each side, pulling tight and pull tight until the knot catches. We're going to repeat this step until the end of the piece, so let's get comfy with it. Bring your needle back over and push back through. If you happen to reach a spot where those dog ears are in the way, just push them up and out of the way, and once you're done, you can push them back into place. No big deal. So let's continue to add more pieces in the same manner that we have, always sewing on the back side to keep those stitches hidden. Keeping your stitches small and even will also ensure the pieces are securely attached and the stitches will remain hidden. So again, just push your two pieces flat up against each other side by side. You'll want to hold both pieces with your thumb and forefinger and just push your needle through just a tiny bit of the back fabric on each side, grabbing just a bit more than a few strands of the fabric. The neat thing about the flat back stitch is even if you grab a bit more of the fabric, the stitches are still hidden from the front. Now pull your thread tight, but not so tight that the thread breaks. I've broken my thread many times before, so don't be so surprised when it happens. Just remind yourself to be a bit more gentle with your thread and yourself. So let's get into the rhythm of things and get some of that fast stitching in. I'll see you in the end. A wild ginger cat has appeared to help us finish our project. And that's it for this time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time because we're still not done.